This side Neha Verma from IELTS Tracker. So today's video is based on the best books for IELTS preparation. So let's have a look. First is Cambridge IELTS 1 till 13 series. So what are the features of this book? Official test papers plus answers. So this book has the official test papers and plus you have the answer keys for that. This book is designed by experts. So everything which is given in this book, the contents, everything is designed by the experts. All modules covered. So reading, listening, writing and speaking, everything is covered in this book. Tape script at the back means if you have any doubt regarding listening, you have the tape script at the back. You can have a look on that and get your query solved about the listening. Next is Official Cambridge Guide to IELTS. So this book is best for beginners, means those who are not familiar with the IELTS, they can go for this book. Next is step by step practice. So you can learn everything step by step. Tips for preparation. This book has the tips for all the modules. CD-ROM attached. Means if you want to go for listening module, you have the CD attached. So you can play it and do your listening module. The last is it is official book. As you can see that this book is Cambridge Guide to IELTS, means this book belongs to the Cambridge. So means everything which is given in this book, it is official. Let's have a look on the next book, that is Expert IELTS 7.5 by Pearson. So suitable for students who want to score 7+. So if your target is 7+, this book is made for you then. Training for all modules. So all modules are covered. You'll be trained for those modules. Tips and strategies. So how you can deal with various kind of questions, how you can solve them, everything is given in this book. Improves your overall skills. So this book focuses on improving your overall skills. So anything which is required to score 7+, this book is best. Next is IELTS Expert 6 by Pearson. So this book is suitable for those, that is for beginners. Training for all modules. Tips and strategies, and improves your skills. So these features are similar to the previous book, that is Expert IELTS 7.5 by Pearson, but the basic difference is that this book is meant for beginners. Means if you are not familiar with the IELTS, so you can go for this book. This new insights into IELTS. So again, this book belongs to the Cambridge. So what are the features? First we have official book, as I mentioned earlier also, and in this slide also we can see that Cambridge English is written on the book, so it is official one. Highlights the error made by the students. So guys, this book is like, this book consists those mistakes and error which students commit generally when they go for the IELTS exam, or any kind of other mistakes that they commit while attempting any kind of module. So this book basically covers and highlights those errors. So automatically you will come to know and you will never commit that error. Practice tests available. So this book has the tests available by which you can practice. Improves your vocabulary and other skills. So this book is all in one, if I would say, because this book has the practice tests available, and on the other hand it improves on your other skills. Next is IELTS Master Class by Oxford. So this book is published by Oxford. This means this is an official book. So let's have a look on the features. versus complete preparation course. So this book provides you the complete course which is required for clearing the IELTS exam. Next is development of key skills. This book will develop your skills, those skills actually that are required for clearing the exam. Provides access to online tests and materials, so you can have easy access to the tests and materials available online. Tips and strategies, so everything will be covered in this book by which you can attempt the exam in a very easy manner. Okay, the next is Kaplan IELTS Prep Plus. So this book has test taking strategies by which you can easily clear your exam with flying colors. 8 full length practice tests. So actually the 8 full length practice tests are bifurcated into two, that is there are 6 academic IELTS tests and the rest, that is 2, they are general training IELTS. And this book is consists of audio and plus online. Detailed answer explanation, so if you have any problem you can easily check your answer along with the reason for that. CD with audio tracks, as I earlier mentioned that this book has audio also, so you can play the CD and perform your listening module. The last is expert guidance. So this book has the expert guidance by which you will get to know that how the IELTS exam is attempted. And the last book is Action Plan for IELTS. Guys, this book is an official one because this book is published by Cambridge. Now let's have a look on the characteristics. Last minute preparation. Guys, if you want to assess your level or you want to know that how much you are prepared for the exam, so you can purchase this book and you will come to know that how much you are prepared for the IELTS exam. Next is self-study guide. Guys, you can very well prepare because this book offers you a self-study guide, so you can study on your own. Tips for all modules. If I talk about this book, in the beginning tips and strategies are given about various questions, and at the end we have the practice tests, so you can check your level by attempting those tests. CD included. If you have liked the video, share this video with your friends who are really facing the problem, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for the latest updates. Thank you everyone.